Borra el dolor que el irte me dio cuando te... Jamur dong. Gue lupa. Viva Hispana, los brazos y os repudir, de la fe. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar, caminar del sol. Gitu. Aduh, Avril Lavigne. You look like Avril Lavigne dah. You know Avril Lavigne gak? Ayo diem aja. Gue nyanyiin aja dah. Regresa a mí, quiéreme otra vez. Borra el dolor que el irte me dio cuando te separaste de mí. Dime que sí, yo no quiero llorar. Regresa a mí, regresa a mí. Banyaknya
Pakistan! Bicho Pakistan selisihnya. Hello.
Anjir, gigi lo, your teeth doesn't rapi, nggak rapi gigi lo. You YouTuber ya? Yeah, YouTuber lo.
No, I'm not YouTuber.
Oh, I thought you are YouTuber. You from Praha ya, Praha. Yeah. You from Praha.
What, bro?
Slavia Praha.
No, yeah. I'm from Prague. Yeah.
Prague. Fuck. Ketoprak kali dah.
Yeah, Prague.
You know ketoprak?
Prague is Praha. Okay, bro.
Iya, Prague. You know ketoprak? Mau kayak kocak.
Fuck, bro.
Iya. Your teeth like Dracula, bro. Kayak bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm alien. I don't know. Bro.
You alien. Wah, I'm afraid of alien. You drinking blood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Drinking blood, you. Iya. You in warnet? Are you in warnet? Warnet?
What the fuck, bro? I can speak English, but I'm in
you don't understand me.
Fuck,
Yeah. You don't understand. You don't understand me. Yeah. Your name what? What your name?
My name is Pavel.
Oh, Pavel.
Aja.
Pavel Netfet. Yeah. You know Netfet gak? Pavel Netfet. Pemain bola, football player. Pavel Netfet.
Football player. Pavel Netfet.
Do you know Pavel Netfet?
No, that's not me, bro.
You don't know Pavel Netfet.
Yeah, no.
Thomas Rosicky. Iya. You know Thomas Rosicky gak?
Yeah, Thomas Rosicky, bro.
Iya, Thomas Rosicky. Oh, gitu bacanya. I pronounce Rosicky. Iya dah gitu dah. Iya, Arsenal kan from Ceko. Iya, bener. Iya, siapa lagi yang terkenal dari Ceko? What is your main food?
Hey, bro. I have a question.
Iya. Okay? Apa? What? Anjir, muka lu kocak dah.
I have a question.
You stand up comedian aja.
Can you say Jessica?
Jessica.
Bro, can you say Jessica?
Jessica.
Jessica.
Yeah, your language very hard to pronounce.
Jessica.
Gue tampol. Udah dah. Rudy. Oke, kayak Rudy. You look like Rudy, my friend. Iya, Rudy. Coronavirus.
Here is corona.
Coronavirus.
No, corona. One corona.
Corona.
Oh, fuck.
Iya, what is your currency? What is your currency?
Corona. What is currency, bro?
Money.
Currency?
Money, nih.
Money.
Iya, what is your money? Corona. Your money make my country disease. Iya, coronavirus.
No, bro. This is just like corona. This is corona, bro.
Iya, bener. Namanya kan crown.
Bro,
iya,
you're a legend.
Legit. Iya, legit kata gue lapis.
You're a legend.
Iya, legit. Legit kan gini nih, legit tulisannya legit. Legit gitu ya. Like that. Legit.
Legit. What is legit?
Iya kan gitu tulisannya Panjul. Legit. Lapis legit.
Legit.
Legit. Iya, legit.
Okay.
Peter
Oh,
C.
I'm not playing League of Legends,
Iya.
yeah, but
How about Peter C?
again,
Peter C. Do you know Peter C?
Peter Cech.
Iya.
Yo,
Peter
the
Cech.
fuck? Yeah, I know who is Peter
Iya.
Cech, bro.
Peter C. Goalkeeper. Iya.
Yeah.
Iya, goalkeeper. Is that from your country? Your C. Emang iya apa? Peter C.
Yeah. Peter Cech is from Czech.
Iya, cek. Roseske. Tercek. Papel netpad. Iya. Ceko dah. Iya. In my country, your country called Ceko. Ceko. Your country is Ceko.
Yeah, Czech.
Ceko. In my country.
No, bro, Czech Republic, Czech.
Iya, it is English, but
Let's go check.
in Indonesian we call your country Ceko. Yeah. Ceko, you are from Ceko.
Okay.
Iya, you
Yeah,
know,
from Ceko, bro.
Iya, you know where my country is. Iya, tahu gak lu?
Australia, bro. You are from
Oh,
Australia.
you're from Australia. Iya, you believe ya? Iya.
Okay.
Tahu aja lagi deh gue orang Australia. Wah, bang. Iya. Why is it so dark your room? Your room doesn't have ini apa? Light. Dark, so dark.
I have a light, but
You don't pay your electricity bill. Yeah. You haven't pay your
my
electricity.
just I don't know, bro. I have one lamp here.
Oh, satu lampu. Ente
This is
pakai
my
Petromax.
only light in this room, bro.
Yeah, the PLN is breaking your service. Yeah, so you cannot access the electricity. Yeah, PLN-nya diputusin rumah lo. Iya, you don't pay the bill sih.
Again?
Maybe you don't pay the bill of electricity. Yeah. Iya. Iya,
No,
you.
I'm not pay this.
Oh,
pay,
pantesan. You don't pay ya, lu diputus listrik lu Panjul. Gelap jadinya. Tapi lu bisa main Ohome. Lu nggak nyolong listrik sapi lu. Iya. Bener, Ceko. What is your circuit? Brno. Iya.
Bro.
Iya, you have circuit name Brno kan? Iya.
Bro.
Iya. You ever go to Brno?
Circle? What is circle, bro?
Iya, you watch Marquez. Valentino Rossi.
You know what city or what?
Brno. Apa sih? What are you asking me? Hah?
Brno is city.
Oh, Brno is city. You from
What do you mean, bro?
Brno, I thought Brno is
Brno is city, bro.
just name of the circuit. Iya. But it is actually the name of city, yes.
Bro,
Hah?
yeah.
Iya, oh
Hey,
gitu.
bro, I must go. Okay.
Oh, you must go.
Okay,
Why?
I'm sorry, bro.
You want to hotting your
Yeah, I must
vegetable? You mau ngangetin sayur? Are you? Yeah. Oh,
I
yeah.
must go. I must
Okay,
go
okay.
eat, bro.
Ntar keburu
I
basi.
must go eat, bro.
Oke.
Okay, bro.
Sip.
You're a legend, bro.
Iya, you are
You're
very
legend.
friendly, ha. Bang. Halo. Waduh, you look like David Silva. David siapa sih namanya tuh?
Are you living in Myanmar?
No, I'm living at North Korea. Iya.
North Korea?
Iya.
why?
Iya, Kim Jong Un, my supreme leader. Long life Kim Jong Un.
Impossible.
Impossible to dream, impossible dream. Wede, gitu.
In North Korea, the people don't have internet.
Oh, enggak, hacking internet.
You live in Indonesia.
Apa? What?
You live in Indonesia.
Iya, kok you know sih? You know ya?
Jakarta, Jakarta. You live in Jakarta. I know.
Wah, you hacking me.
I know you. I know you.
Oh, you know me so well. Hello, mate. Wede, mantep. You YouTuber, mate?
No, no YouTuber.
Oh, I thought you were YouTuber, mate. You from Australia? Waduh, you teach me English dong. I cannot speak
I can.
English soalnya.
I'm speaking English right now.
You brojol langsung English. Can you speak another language?
No, I cannot.
Oh, you just English,
Yes.
Oh, you
Dick your mouth.
dick your mouth. Apa sih? your English random, acak-acakan. Iya, your name siapa? What your name? Hah? Boy.
My name is Hubert.
Oh, Kubart.
And you? And you?
My name is Lidi Pedes.
Okay. And surf name?
Surf name? No, I don't have surf name. My name is Lidi. Lidi Pedes.
Lidi?
Lidi Pedes.
Okay.
Benar, Bang. Mancung banget ente, Bang. Hidungnya asli naik ke atas gitu. Iya, you bule. Are you?
Yeah.
You bule. Why one apa ini rokok apa? One cigarette for your three. You don't for iya. You cannot afford to buy four cigarette.
No.
You only buy one.
Free cigarette Winston.
Oh, iya. Kenapa cuma satu ente rame-rame? Aduh. Sebatang rame-rame. Iya. You skateboard.
No, I'm driving in the Tesla.
Oh, lu driving Tesla. Iya. Can you pay the electricity bill?
And Audi RS7.
Audi R7.
RS7.
Oh, in your dream. Iya, your hidung peri mancung. For your hidung. You bule, your rambutnya pirang dewek, nggak dicat. Iya, your hair blonde. Iya, you look like boy from the street child. Iya, anak jalanan. No aja lu ngerti juga kakak lu. Iya, you come Indonesia, you will be celebrity. Iya, because you are handsome gitu. In Indonesia, handsome people will be like so much. You ready to rob bank? Weh, benar. Iya, unit gun. Iya, you rob bank dah, sono. You from Sydney. You from Sydney bukan? Sekali-kali aja gue nemu orang Australia mau diajak ngobrol. Iya, bro. Your name siapa? What your name?
Idon.
Oh, Idon. Vokalisnya itu dong. Siapa namanya? Lupa gue. Oh, Dines. Your name. Yeah.
Yes.
You why you wear mask sih? Nah, you take off your mask, so I can listen you clearly. I cannot listen to you clearly because you wear mask.
Oh, fuck.
Nah, itu is very, itu clear. You're clear. Iya, bener bang. You from where?
What are you, Indonesian?
Iya, Indonesia.
Hati-hati.
Kenapa? Hati-hati, be careful itu namanya bang.
Be careful.
Be careful. Aduh.
Oh, sampai tumpah.
Sampai tumpah nih. Kalau air tumpah, sampai jumpa. Ente gimana?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih besok-besok.
Berapa?
Kenapa? Berapa? How much? Lu tahu how much? Berapa? Kumis. Your kumis why only in the side, not in the center? Where is your ini mustache? The center mustache disappear. Iya. Yeah, your mustache only on the side. And center blank. Kosong.